7 Days of Clean Eating Deliciousness, a transformative journey into real food recipes for practitioners. A 7-day clean eating regimen offers a practical and effective approach to improving health, boosting energy levels, and promoting overall well-being. This essay focuses on the transformative power of 100 real food recipes that can be implemented today by practitioners and their clients. The importance of clean eating. Clean eating emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods to optimize nutrient intake and minimize harmful additives. Source: American Heart Association. A clean eating plan can lead to weight loss, improved digestion, and reduced risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Source: Harvard Health Publishing. The power of real food recipes. Real food recipes are an essential component of a clean eating lifestyle, providing variety, flavor, and convenience. By focusing on whole foods, real food recipes help ensure that meals are nutrient-dense, promoting long-term health benefits. Source: Mayo Clinic. Day 1. Breakfast: overnight oats with berries and chia seeds, a high-fiber, protein-rich breakfast that can be prepared the night before for a quick, convenient start to the day. Avocado toast with egg, a filling and nutrient-dense option that provides healthy fats, proteins, and fiber, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain energy levels throughout the morning. Day 2. Lunch: quinoa salad with grilled vegetables and chickpeas, a hearty, protein-packed lunch that is both flavorful and satisfying, while being low in calories and high in essential nutrients. Lentil soup with kale and sweet potato, a warm, comforting dish that is rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their digestion and immune system function. Day 3. Dinner: grilled salmon with roasted Brussels sprouts and quinoa, a lean protein source paired with fiber-rich vegetables and whole grains, creating a balanced meal that promotes satiety and supports overall health. Stuffed bell peppers with brown rice, black beans, and salsa, a flavorful, colorful dish that offers a variety of essential nutrients while being low in calories and easy to prepare. Day 4. Snacks: hummus with carrot and cucumber sticks, a low-calorie, high-fiber snack that provides sustained energy and supports digestive health. Apple slices with almond butter, a simple, satisfying snack that offers a balance of sweet and savory flavors, while providing essential nutrients like fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Day 5. Desserts: dark chocolate avocado mousse, a rich, creamy dessert made with wholesome ingredients like avocados and dark chocolate, offering a guilt-free indulgence that promotes heart health. Berry sorbet, a refreshing, naturally sweet treat made from fresh berries, providing antioxidants and promoting digestive health. Day 6. Beverages: green smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk, a nutrient-dense beverage that offers a quick and easy way to consume essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Homemade lemonade with honey, a refreshing, naturally sweetened beverage that provides hydration and supports immune system function. Day 7. Mindful eating: practice mindful eating techniques to enhance enjoyment of meals, promote satiety, and reduce overeating. Source: Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Encourage clients to savor their food, focus on flavors, and eat without distraught.